Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Fragrant Jewels, and this is their KAUAI bath bomb. It's part of their ALOHA bath bomb trio, where you get 3 pineapple-shaped bath bombs with 3 color combos and fragrances. They're very beautiful. The colors are so bright. They're really pretty. It did change my water into a nice teal color. And it was ridiculously foamy. Filled up my tub with colorful foam. You could see all the ribbons in there. And like most bath bombs that are really pigmented, this one did leave some staining on my fingers. Mostly because I kept touching it while it was in the water. But I didn't get any staining on the rest of my body or in my tub. As far as the fragrance goes, this one was more on the floral side. Some of the fragrance notes listed are tropical flowers, citrus, and warm woods, so it was more floral. But I just loved how colorful this was. And there are 10 different rings that you can collect for each bath bomb. They all share the same settings. The difference will be the color of the stones. So the color of stone for the KAUAI bath bomb are aquamarine. And once your bath bomb is finished, your ring will just stay floating at the top. And inside, you will get a code. And you just input that onto their website. And it'll give you the appraisal value of your ring. And it'll also give you reward points for their reward store. And this one did appraise for $25. And I got 25 points for it. But look how pretty that aquamarine color is. One of my favorite colors. Just a simple halo setting and some clear stones around there. Really, really pretty. And if you'd like to see more ring reveals, I do have more in my channel that you can check out. And I have many more to come. So stay tuned, and thanks again for watching.